Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to cancel your Netflix subscription. So to cancel your Netflix subscription, here's a step-to-step guide on how to do that. So the first thing I have to do is to open a web browser and go to your Netflix, which is netflix.com, then sign into your Netflix account, then click on your profile icon at the top right corner, then select accounts from the menu. Then from there, under membership and billing, click cancel membership, then click finish cancellation to confirm. Then after that, you will receive a confirmation email from Netflix. So from there, you can continue using Netflix until your current billings period end, and this can even stop Netflix from performing this automatic subscription. No matter after your previous subscription has ended, they will just do the automatic. But since you've cancelled your subscription, there will no benefit for that, so you have to do it manually by yourself again whenever you want to make a subscription. And there's a simple guide on how to cancel your Netflix subscription